My life encounters hardships in sorrow and despair. Tears fall, the mind wanders, needing a savior and comforter. The heart is immersed, but a comforter for the desolate for me. I know